Creating a job in Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 is super simple. First, all you need to do is add your organization. This will be authenticated with an application group inside of Microsoft 365. Then you can start creating jobs. So we'll start by naming our job here at the top, and we'll give it a super simple name. Now, you only need to add objects to this job. You can either back up the entire organization or granularly select items that you wish to include inside of this backup. Now, once we've selected users, we even have the granular action of dismissing sites, OneDrive, their archive mailbox, and their primary mailbox, depending on the requirements and scope. We can add in individual teams, so our content and education sites, as well as add in an entire group scope by selecting the entire organization, editing that organization, and deciding which features from that scope we would like to back up. In this case, we want to make sure we have all of the mail items for the entire organization. Next, you have the flexibility to exclude based off of users, groups, sites, and individual teams. In this case, we have an exclude group, which excludes mailboxes that we do not want backed up in this job. Next is selecting the repository. Once the repository is selected, next, all you need to do is define the job schedule. You can either run this every day at specific times, periodically down to every 5 minutes. You have the option for retries and a termination window. The great thing about the termination window is it allows you to have a continuously running job, but exclude peak and off hours that you may want to not have load on your network or on the different teams. You can select Start the Job and hit Create. Now this job will run. You can even create a backup copy job directly from this scope by right-clicking on the job created and hit Backup Copy. You can then select the repository to send this backup copy to, and whether or not you want the data to immediately copy at certain times a day, or if you want a continuous copy cycle. Then hit Create, and you're all done.